Soaking ginger in vinegar, a seemingly simple task, but one that can yield surprising results. Hello, it's great to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. If you have ginger at home, don't miss this recipe. With just a few easy steps, you can prepare pickled ginger to help with minor everyday issues. I learned this trick from my grandmother, who is almost 98 years old this year. And this kind of dark water has long been considered a familiar secret in many Asian families. What's special is that not everyone knows about its benefits. Let's find out. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. This is the ginger I bought at the supermarket. It looks very clean on the outside, but in reality there's still a lot of dirt and residue stuck in the small crevices. Therefore, I will break the ginger into smaller pieces so that it is easier to clean thoroughly. First, I put the ginger in a bowl of clean water. To clean it more thoroughly, I added salt and baking soda when washing. I'll rinse it briefly to remove any dirt hidden in the crevices. If any pieces of ginger are damaged or moldy like this, I'll peel off those parts. Ginger peel is anything but ordinary. It's a natural remedy that helps cool the body and is packed with nutrients. Ginger has many benefits for life, so in addition to drinking grated fresh ginger mixed with honey every morning, if I have fresh ginger at home, I usually grate it finely. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of pure honey. Pour about 100 to 150 milliliters of warm water, 40 to 50 degrees Celsius, into the glass. Stir well until the honey dissolves and the ingredients are thoroughly mixed. Drink it while it's still warm to enjoy the best flavor and essence. To save time, I usually prepare grated ginger in advance and store it in an airtight jar, keeping it in the refrigerator for up to a week. So I just need to mix it with water every morning. This drink helps warm the stomach, aids digestion, boosts immunity, and provides a natural energy boost. You can also make pickled ginger to preserve it for longer, use it gradually, and enjoy its delicious flavor while still retaining the health benefits of ginger. Now I'm preparing the steamer. Place the ginger slices in the steamer and arrange them neatly in a single layer. Avoid overlapping so that each slice cooks evenly. Then bring to a boil over high heat. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Once the water was boiling, I reduced the heat to medium-low and steamed it for about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on the size of the ginger pieces. There's something so pleasant about the aroma of freshly steamed ginger. It's one of my favorite scents. When steamed at high temperatures, some of the spicy compounds evaporate with the steam, making the ginger taste milder and less pungent. Even those who don't like ginger will find it easier to eat. The great thing is that steaming doesn't destroy the nutrients in ginger. At this point, the ginger peel will be slightly shiny and soft to the touch. Let the ginger cool slightly, then place it on a cutting board and slice it thinly. Ginger is rich in essential oils, gingerol, amino acids, and many other nutrients. These essential oils help stimulate blood circulation and warm the body quickly. When the weather changes, just a few slices of steamed ginger are enough to ward off the feeling of cold. You'll notice that my ginger slices aren't perfectly uniform. Some are thick, some are thin. I'm sharing this so you can avoid a common mistake. To achieve a balanced flavor, try to slice evenly. Otherwise, thin slices will be too sour, while thick slices will still be spicy and raw inside. These ginger pieces have just been steamed, so they are still quite moist. If soaked immediately, excess moisture will affect the quality. Therefore, I will put it in an air fryer to gently dry it. If you don't have one, you can use a food dehydrator or dry them in the sun for a few hours. Simply set the temperature to around 90 to 100 degrees Celsius for the first drying cycle, for about 10 minutes. During the drying process, the pleasant aroma of ginger spread throughout the room. The moisture gradually evaporated, and the warm fragrance reminded me of the ginger chicken my grandmother used to cook. Just smelling it made me hungry. After 10 minutes, I opened it to check. The ginger has dried a little more. I gently turn it over so that the top and bottom dry evenly. Then continue drying for another 15 minutes, and it's ready to use. When the edges and surface are slightly dry but still pliable and not sticky to the touch, that's when it's ready. I always make sure not to dry it too much because if left for too long, the ginger will become hard and brittle, affecting its flavor and texture later on. Next, prepare 2 clean glass jars, ensuring they are free of water or oil. Next, place the dried ginger slices into the jar. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. I added 2 teaspoons of rock sugar to mellow the sourness of the vinegar. However, sugar should be consumed in moderation. You can reduce or eliminate it if you want to improve your health. The final step is to pour white vinegar or balsamic vinegar into each jar, making sure to completely submerge the ginger. Rice vinegar has a very distinctive flavor, but personally, I prefer the richer, more robust balsamic vinegar. So, in the second bottle, I used balsamic vinegar. If you like, you can also use honey. It tastes great, and I'm looking forward to the next batch with honey. Next is the third jar. The method is exactly the same as the previous 2. Put ginger in about 2/3 of the jar. Add honey, then pour in vinegar. The result is an appealing sweet and sour flavor. Balsamic vinegar is made from grape juice and aged for many years, so the pickled ginger will have a rich aroma. Very similar to the ginger served with sushi or the pickled ginger found in Korean restaurants. After just 1 day, the jar of ginger was ready to use. I really like the mild sourness now, no longer the harsh spiciness of fresh ginger. Instead, there's a subtle sweetness from the honey, perfectly balanced. Honestly, I'm addicted to this. This is a simple yet delicious way to nourish the body. I've always believed that fermented foods are great for digestion and the gut. When combined with ginger's natural healing properties, it's hard to find anything better. As for the ginger vinegar, I usually mix it with water to drink. If you like a stronger sour taste, you can add a little more water. If you prefer a milder taste, dilute it further. I've found that drinking a small glass before meals helps with digestion and keeps blood sugar levels stable. Perhaps you'll love it as much as I do once you try it. I usually wait about 10 days before opening the jar. By then, the ginger has absorbed all its flavor. Thank you for watching. If you're new to this, my channel shares health tips, smart kitchen tricks, and effective food preservation methods to make your life easier. Thank you for your support, and see you in the next videos.